the craft behind the ride. At Quantum Energy, every scooter we make carries years of meticulous design and engineering. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility combines cutting-edge technology with skilled craftsmanship to produce electric two-wheelers of impeccable quality. As the scooters move through the plant, they are assembled with care by our experienced technicians. Advanced robotic arms expertly mount components, while automated quality checks analyze each system to ensure flawless performance. Smooth, sleek body panels come together around efficient electric drivetrains engineered for power, efficiency, and reliability. Every step of the process adheres to our strict quality standards because we believe our customers deserve nothing less. We subject completed vehicles to rigorous on-road testing to guarantee long-lasting operation across diverse riding conditions. And with our wide range of models, colors, and options, riders can find the perfect fit for their lifestyle. From affordable urban commuters to premium long-range scooters. Our scooters balance cutting-edge tech with comfort, convenience, and family-friendly utility. At the heart of it all is our commitment to deliver quality electric mobility with zero compromises. As India moves rapidly towards sustainable transportation, we'll be there, building smarter, more innovative e-scooters to carry riders into the future. Quantum Energy.